Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my garbage can. Just kidding. Panning shot my truck. I just got a tripod. Look at this. Washer dryer. They also don't work. Boom, back to the truck. Anyways, that was fun. Hey, if you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering how on earth do I attach my tricolor emblem to my OEM 4th gen grill. I got good news, it's not hard. Let me show you the secret right now. Boom. Literally a zip tie. Doesn't get much easier than that, folks. All you need to do is take your zip tie, tie it around back, and it stays. Look at this. It's not moving. That could be a branch. That could be a child. It's hidden it. It's not breaking. It's all good. Super easy to attach. Literally just take a zip tie, black one preferred if you like the aesthetic, put it in between, tie it on back. If you're looking for one of these tricolor emblems, I actually have a discount code with a company called Oxido. They do LEDs online, bulbs of all sorts, interior, exterior. I'm going to link them down below and also show you on my screen in a few seconds just how to apply the loose axles discount code, which is literally just loose axles. Get yourself 15% off. It also gives me a very minute amount of money back that I put into tripods for these incredibly dramatic opening sequences. So anyways, see you online.
Whoa, ayo, I'm in your computer. What's up? Let's go. Anyways, so this is the Oxido website. They got a bunch of trucks here, LED upgrades. That's like everything from turn signals to low beams, high beams, interior, blah, 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 blah. Here's the tricolor emblems. Boom, look at that. Super easy. Comes just like that. Same one I had on my truck. If I just add that to cart, discount code could go in there, but it doesn't always work. So if I just go checkout, it's going to load. I put loose axles in there. I get 15% off. There's not much more to show. It should apply for everything on the website. If you're into anything, this helps me support my channel. And with that, I hope everyone has an awesome day, and I am out of here.